Respected Universities Grant Commission and Central Human Resource Department, I am Gananath Shankar, a communicative designer and of course vlogger in YouTube. Please consider the following words, whatever I'm going to express through this video, as a request or as an appeal. It's not at all a demand, because as a responsible citizen of this nation, I know making demands in this particular situation doesn't make any sense. So I've got only two requests to make to the UGC and Central HRD. The very first request is, recently UGC has released guidelines which clearly instructs all the universities throughout the India to conduct final semester for the final year students examinations by the end of September at any cost. And here we are somewhat happy about the decision what you have taken for the rest of the year students, because you have mentioned in the class, like May class, you have given the authorities for the state universities to take decision on the examination whether to conduct or not based on the pandemic situations in that area. But why can't you take the same thing for the final year students also? So respected UGC and HRD, my request is very clear. Please give authorities for the state universities, for the regional universities, for conducting examinations even for the final year students, because only the regional and state universities have an idea about their locality, how far it is possible to conduct or to postpone or to cancel the examinations. So once again, I am making my request to UGC. Please give authorities, full authorities for the state universities on conducting examinations even for the final year students. The second request is, in case if you have decided to conduct the examinations at any cost by the end of September, you have given some options for conducting these examinations like online or offline. Coming to the practical possibilities, we don't think offline possibilities can be made, because the pandemic situations may become even worse at the time what you have mentioned about examinations. This may not have the students of metros, because they are well connected with technology and even the network is very good for them. But what about the remaining 80%? Almost 80% of students from our country, they are from the remote village areas. So when it comes to the online mode for this rest of the students who are from these remote localities, it may decrease their level of confidence to take the examinations. When the students don't have confidence to take up the examinations, how come they can score? How come they can even pass the examination? Because we all know it's not just knowledge to take the examination matters, it is also confidence which matters a lot. So I request UGC and HRD to come up with one more revised guidelines which gives much more clarity about conducting of examinations or postponing of examinations or even cancelling of examinations. Finally, we all know students are the future of our nation. But certainly, when they can't overcome the present, when they don't have healthy present, the future is nothing but a big question mark. Please consider these two requests. Thank you very much for your time. Hoping for the good news from UGC and HRD. Thank you very much.